What up, guys? I look handsome today, huh?
What are you doing over here now, Josh? Shit.
Trying to get shit out of the way. There ain't no wind chill. I get bugs in your teeth. What's up, guys? Almost done with this thing.
Tornado red hood. We're about to repaint. For a Cutler. Busted ass hood.
See, it's all peeling and stuff.
I'm so hood. I'm so hood.
Oh, now you ride around. I got no hood.
But we're gonna sand it, paint it, make it look brand new.
Guys, we 220'd it and 320'd it. There's a lot of primer on here. So now we're gonna wet sand 600 it and get to shooting. Fucking out of breath.
A lot of work, man. Just the hood right here, it takes a long time. How many hours do you think this hood would take? Because how we said in the previous video, there's so many layers of paint on it that we had to strip it down to metal, then prime it, then sand it. So how many hours do you think in total?
I'm not sure. Probably what, 6 so far?
Yeah,
7
at least. Prepping is everything.
Woohoo!
Alright guys, next day here. We got 600 grit that we're gonna make it very smooth with after the 320, so it's gonna be pretty smooth, and then we'll be painting tonight.
Smoother than a baby's butt. Sounds wrong though nowadays. Smoother than smooth. fire in the hole.
Alright guys, we just mix all the paint. It's freaking hot in here. It's 90 degrees.
God damn, is it really?
Yeah, we're at 90.
God damn.
So that's why we're sweating in here, but we want this thing to turn out perfect. So when it rolls around town, it's clean as hell, huh, cuz?
Yes, sir.
Alright boys, let's get it. You ready?
Yesterday, we were on our way, but November came. Man, I wish it was yesterday. Yesterday, we were on our way, but November came. Man, I wish it was yesterday. Yesterday, we were on our way, but November came. Man, I wish it was yesterday. Yesterday, we were on our way, but November came. Man, I wish it was yesterday. Yesterday, we were on our way, but November came. Man, I wish it was yesterday. Yesterday.
It's looking pretty good. Drying pretty fast.
Looks good.
Gotta be patient.
How was your day today?
It was awesome. How was yours, Jordan?
Good. Are you ready for a trip to Vegas?
Yeah. Yeah.
Last coat, and we should be good. And then we'll start clearing. Let's get it.
Alrighty guys, we're about to clear. Do one more tack, so hopefully it'll be a little clean, you know. Hoods are always like harder to get clean because it's such a like big surface, especially when it's laying down. So that's why we're gonna upgrade the booth here soon. We're gonna be able to hang stuff from the roof. Right now it's a plastic booth, so upgrades to come. Thanks to Josh and Heather. And then we'll obviously help put it up, so. We'll go halfway, that way if I need to go angle it. That's why I was having trouble when I was getting stripes on the hood, was because on base I was like not trying to tip over the cup and get a drop of it through the hole on top. But this time we're gonna lay it down, baby.
You gonna lay down this clear, brother?
Yeah. Never my damn self anymore. Always got a camera in my damn face.
Get used to it, brother, because it's only out from here.
Damn. The fuck up out my house, bro.
Alright, y'all, we're all done here. There's Erie in the booth. 2 or 3 good coats of base, and then 2 solid coats of clear. That'll wrap it up. We're just cleaning the gun, wrapping up the night. It's about 10 p.m. so let's get it. Yeah, that looks really good. A lot better than the peeling, huh?
Yeah. It's fantastic.
You like it?
Yeah, bro. Love it.
You gonna smoke a Erie in this thing?
Yeah, dude. It's like the same color.
Right.
We're literally like dead even.
Until somebody upgrades with turbos.
Oh, I know.
Who's the first one that's gonna do it though?
Probably me. Yeah.
I'm waiting for him to build it.
Yeah.
And then
So you can learn off his mistakes first.
Yep.
Fucking Erie.
Smart. Claire's gonna be like, all right, we're gonna do this to yours.
Yeah.
Fucks mine up.
Yeah. That's the same shit that happened to mine.
Watch this, watch this. He's gonna get pissed. He's gonna be like, oh my, watch this.
So what is this? Is this a Golf 2.0 T?
No, dude. Come on.
Dude, shut up.
What is it?
It's like my car.
I'm not familiar with these cars, man.
It's an R32, bro.
Oh shit. What is that?
That's in the Furious. Do you see the seats in his though?
What? Let me see.
They're cloth in the middle.
Really?
Those are rare.
May I?
Yeah, man.
Those are the rare.
Oh, those are actually pretty cool. So like, in the summer, it's like ventilated.
Those are rarer.
Wow. They're not even torn like yours,
Mine aren't torn.
or worn.
They're not worn either.
I think the
Jordan's always trying to push my button.
You have 2 buttons.
Fuck you.
So you only need one to push. Well, just as long as Cutler's happy,
yeah, man.
that's the main part.
That actually is pretty close. That's what we were just talking about. I'll tell him in the sun and we'll see a little better, but if we need to, we'll blend the fenders next time and do some other parts that are appealing to it.
coming.
But please like, share, and subscribe.
Come on, guys, let's blow this up.
Hell yeah. Next
Always
year.
doing something, shit.